Assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. When we speak of the end times, one of the signs that carries enormous weight and depth is the prophecy about the black flags that will come from the land of Khorasan. This prophecy is not folklore or imagination. It is preserved in the authentic hadiths of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and its meaning is discussed by the classical scholars of Islam. Today, many are beginning to wonder, are we seeing this sign unfold before our eyes? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If you see the black flags coming from, then go to them even if you have to crawl over ice, because among them is the Khilafah of Allah, the Mahdi." This hadith, found in several classical sources including Imam Ahmad's Musnad, has been the subject of deep analysis for centuries. Let us reflect on what it means. First, we must understand the region of Khorasan. Historically, Khorasan was a vast area that included parts of modern-day Iran, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and parts of Central Asia. The hadith doesn't mention any modern country by name, and we should be careful not to assign certainty to places unless evidence demands it. But we know that Khorasan lies in the east, and it is from the east that the supporters of Imam Mahdi are foretold to arise. This black flag movement will not be a political party or a trend. It will not be a group seeking fame or worldly power. It will be a movement of sincere believers ready to give everything for the sake of Allah. Their flags will be black, a color symbolizing strength, resistance, and sometimes even mourning. But the key is not the color, it's the commitment, the sacrifice, and the purpose behind it. My dear brothers and sisters, as we look at our world today, we see many groups rise and fall. Many carry flags, many chant slogans, but very few live by the standards of truth and justice that the companions of the Mahdi will carry. These people, when they come, will not be arrogant. They will not be deceived by wealth or fame. They will be sincere, humble, and driven by obedience to Allah. The hadith also mentions that we should join them, even if we have to crawl over ice. What does this tell us? It shows us the importance of that movement, that the believer, no matter where he or she is, must support the truth even if it requires sacrifice, struggle, and discomfort. It reminds us that loyalty is not to race, nation, or tribe. It is to the truth of Islam. Could this movement appear soon? Many scholars believe that as the world falls deeper into chaos, it becomes more likely that such a sincere movement will emerge, especially when we see the failures of global systems, the spread of falsehood, and the silence of justice. All of this creates a space for the arrival of something true, something pure. That may be the Black Flag Army, and they may be very close. We are not here to speculate or name individuals. That would be irresponsible. But we must ask ourselves, if that group came today, would we recognize it? Would we be prepared to support it? Or are our hearts still attached to this world, too distracted to see what matters? The black flags will not come with luxury. They will come with difficulty, but behind them will be the Mahdi, and behind the Mahdi will be the return of Isa, salam. So, if we miss that beginning, we risk missing what follows.